Basically, Ag Lab is a working farm. It was kind of an idea 7 years ago that came from our superintendent and our school board to be able to provide the ag classes a farm where they can do hands-on education. They don't have to learn inside of a classroom building. They're able to actually come out and physically touch whatever we're working on, physically do whatever we need to do for class. Just a different way to learn ag other than out of a book in a classroom. Being able to get out here with our students, we get them excited about agriculture. We give them the opportunity to learn where their food comes from, maybe spark an interest to want to go into ag. Hopefully to give them that avenue of them to be able to maybe go somewhere and work, or maybe even start their own operation, small operation somewhere if they want to. It's just important. Farmers feed the world. Without farmers, we don't eat and we don't have any clothes to wear. So raising that next generation of farmers is very crucial to making the world go around. One thing that sets us apart is we have variety. If you walk around outside on the farm, you'll see a lot of different animals, a lot of different crops, a lot of different structures, just kind of giving kids variety so they can kind of find their niche and go in that direction.
I've been at the Land Lab from the time we stepped foot here. It's been about 7 years. We started out working out of our local high school in Windsor, then we moved out to this facility and actually was able to work out of a Windsor Elementary School. We had a classroom in there. They were nice enough to house us there where we were close to the land that we'd be developing into the Land Lab. We have a great looking barn and a great looking main building, but everything out here at the Land Lab, students have built with their own hands. So they leave their mark on it. And that's, I think, one of our biggest goals is to have those students take that ownership and create something that they can be proud of. That's the big goal, giving them opportunities, whatever it may be, however this place may grow, is to always give them opportunities to learn, and learn by doing. That's really what we do out here.
One thing I do like about learning at the agriculture farm is like life skills that can help me achieve more in life.
It is such a learning experience to be here, and there's always something new. Like, there's never a dull moment at the farm because you're just learning everything from crops to how to take care of animals and how to just learn to be a leader and communication skills and everything like that. Like, it's wonderful to be here.
One of my biggest surprises here was being able to learn outside and not just be stuffed in a classroom all day. I can do hands-on work here. I just enjoy being outside. It really gave a bunch of kids just a great opportunity to come out here.
WHRO, owned by 21 school divisions, supported by people like you.